It is now 4 p.m. on November 13th Beijing time. Yesterday, because we still held EURUSD short orders that entered the market above 1.0990, no new positions were given. After entering the market, the exchange rate rose to a maximum of 1.1017 and a minimum of 1.0920. If you follow the video to operate, can make a profit of 70 to 97 points per lot. Laodai was prompt to sell when the exchange rate fell to 1.0950 this afternoon, making a small profit of $400 to $670 per lot. Then there is gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to wait for the 2022 to 2061 range to sell high and buy low. After the announcement, the gold price only fluctuated between 2035.3 to 2049.3. The idea is correct, but the market does not give an opportunity to enter, so it is not a valid signal. Since November, the market has been attaching great importance to the fast dot plot expectations, so the market has been constantly interpreting the speeches of Fed officials. As a result, U.S. bond yields and the U.S. index have fallen sharply. However, many interpretations are excessive. Everyone trading investors need to be alert to the risk of short-term market reversion expectations. In addition to manually operated orders, most transactions in the current market have been replaced by EA-programmed exchanges. This is inevitable in development, just like most jobs around the world are gradually being replaced by AI. In order to improve efficiency and reduce costs, the results are good. Human consciousness cannot escape the choice of this era. Laodai's main account has also been bound to EA programming to trade in EURUSD. From November 1st to today, it has generated a cumulative profit of $41,373 and continues to maintain a monthly income of 11 to 19%. This account has been publicly displaced for more than 3 years and will continue to be displaced. If interested, you can ask me for the password. The initial capital for custody ranges from $5,000 to $200,000. Observe if it suits you and then choose the cooperation mode as needed. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The US GDP data released last night was better than expected, which means that it is still in a normal development stage and has not yet considered a soft or hard landing for the economy. At the same time, speeches by Federal Reserve officials in the early hours of the morning suggested that there were differences among them and not the majority supported interest rate cuts. This reduced the market's expectations for the Fed to cut interest rates to a certain extent, eased the decline in the US index and US bond yields, and also limited further upward moves in EURUSD. However, the suppression effect has not been too strong yet, and more economic data and speeches are needed to support it. In terms of EURUSD trends, 1.1000 above is still the key resistance. During the day, it is recommended to sell short positions at 1.1010 to 1.1075, with stop loss at 1.1085. The support below 1.0900 is still valid if it is not broken. You can also pay attention to long positions at 1.0900 to 1.0835. Put a stop loss at 1.0975. After gold breaks through 2000, there are not many technical aspects to refer to, and it is driven by fundamentals and changes in market sentiment. 2050 to 2060 can be used as a dividing line. If the breakthrough means that the fundamentals are further attracting gold, it is possible to test 2080. Below 2025 and 2000 are still used as key points. Because the distance is far away, the probability of entering the market within the day is not high. Those who are steady can wait and observe first, and those who are aggressive can go long at 2029 to 2060, with stop loss at 2030. In addition, at 9:30 tonight, the United States will announce the core PCE price index for October. At 22:05, Fed Williams will give a speech. Pay attention to setting up take profit and stop loss positions to operate. In addition to Europe and Gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their support, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the low part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading business. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Benjamin Franklin.